Guys, so this is basically a vlog trying out IKEA foods. If you want to skip ahead to me trying it, go to like minute 2. Anyway, this is how the cafeteria thing actually looked. I went on a Monday, and it was extremely busy at the IKEA. Like there are a lot of people, which you'll see in a second when I get my cart. But yeah, so I kind of went because they did have the $3 Meatless Monday deal for the veggie balls and the plant balls, so that's a pretty good deal. And as you can see from this clip, it was extremely busy and the line was really large. And then these are just like their desserts, the cheesecake, some of the like smaller desserts. This is a strawberry and jam cake, and my favorite cake, the almond cake, was not present, as well as some salads. Now, I came for the veggie balls, which again were on sale, and I also got some chicken tenders. Here, I am just like getting it. I got my veggie balls with a side of mac and cheese, and then the chicken tenders come with french fries. So that's what that looks like. And I got the 3 chicken tenders because I was with my mom and we just split that. So that's why I also got 2 veggie balls, and this is what it looks like. She recommended that I get a sauce, which, spoiler, I did not like. And then we also got a couple of pieces of bread because I'm an IKEA member. I actually get like a free drink every time. So yeah, we also got 2 mugs, and then this is me getting that. That's actually cola because I don't drink coffee or like tea or anything. And then yeah, this is me getting some napkins. Somebody had pulled out a bunch already, so I just got like a bunch of them. And then I got some ranch because I do not like any like tomato products or anything, so I didn't get any ketchup, but my mom did end up getting some ketchup. This is just ordinary ranch though. That's what it looks like. And then I got some silverware, a couple of forks, and a couple of spoons. And then yeah, now you're gonna hear me live. Hi, I'm trying out IKEA Foods. I'm at IKEA. You can see by all the Swedish in the background. So yeah, I guess this is the first thing. I've probably inserted a clip already. It's their cola, so yeah. Okay, it tastes pretty like ordinary, I'd say, of like cola. Like if you've ever had Coke, I guess it would be pretty similar. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty refreshing. Now I'm trying out like this plant ball, veggie ball thing. And they put some kind of sauce on it. I don't know what the sauce is, but the lady said it tasted good. So I'm gonna try this side that doesn't have any sauce on it first and see what it tastes like. It's not bad. It does kind of taste like mush though. I think this is the veggie ball specifically. That's kind of what it looks like on the inside. You can definitely see the pieces of veggie in there. It's kind of mushy. I wouldn't say it tastes bad, but it's not like a super amazing. By the way, IKEA food is a lot more expensive than I thought. Like all of this that I'll show you in a clip. Like everything that I got, which are 2 plates of veggie balls, 3 chicken tender, like a chicken tender entree that comes with french fries, and 2 pieces of garlic bread. Everything costs like $23.91 after tax, which that's not really cheap to me, especially because I got the veggie ball plates on like sale for members. I'm an IKEA member for $3 each. So I do not think that that's that cheap. I know that it's like the reputation, but yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna try try it with the sauce now and see what that like tastes like. Yeah, I'd say that the sauce has like a tang to it. I don't know what the flavor is. That's odd. This is just the sauce.
It's kind of tomatoey, and I don't really like tomatoes. It has a very strange flavor. I don't know how to describe that, but I guess it's okay if you're like, I don't know. I guess it's okay. It's not very good though. So I'll try with their mac and cheese. You can get the veggie balls with like whatever side you want. I wanted mac and cheese, so. Yeah, that tastes okay. It's very cheesy, I'd say. The like noodles, I guess, are kind of squishy, like mushy, but it's not bad overall. This is the piece of bread, like garlic bread, which by the way costs $1 each slice, which again, I don't think that's cheap. That's just me personally, but yeah. Okay. So this does taste pretty good. It's very like garlicky, and it has a lot of like butter on it, I'd say. So not too bad. Now I'm trying the French fry. I'll try it with some ranch. This is ranch. It's not bad. I'd say it's a pretty typical like French fry. It's okay. I'll try it by itself now. Yeah, it's pretty salty. It's not that crispy anymore, but it's not terrible. It tastes like a French fry. And this is what it like is. Like, it's a pretty decent sized chicken tender, I'd say. It's still pretty warm, which is not bad. I'll try it by itself, and then I will try it with like a sauce. I don't like ketchup or like any tomato-y products, so I'll try it with ranch. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is pretty crispy, I'd say. It's just not bad. Like I said, it is warm, which is good. And you can see some of the like black flakes and stuff, so it's like not unseasoned, which is pretty good. I'm gonna try it with some of the ranch now. Alright, so that did make it like a lot better. It's less dry with the ranch or like some kind of sauce, whatever you like. I'd say overall it's not bad. I paid like $13.99, so almost $14 for 3 chicken tenders, like are all pretty much this size. This is what it looks like. So yeah, $13.99 with that, with an additional tender and a couple extra fries that I've eaten. Overall, I guess like it's not that bad for like the amount of value that you get, but again, I don't know. IKEA has like this reputation of being super cheap or whatever, and I personally don't like agree with that. But yeah, overall, I'd say that IKEA is not bad. If I had to give it a rating, I guess I'd give it like a 7. The food is like decent. It's kind of mushy. That's like the one consistent thing that I've seen. If you're getting the plant balls, I would not get the sauce. The sauce did not taste that good. But yeah, other than that, thanks so much for watching. Bye!